Hi everyone, welcome to this little demo of document control portal designed for PMC Hyper. This video is for the audience of the admin ICT department of PMC Hyper. As an introduction to the document control portal that we've chosen for Hyper. Remember that this is important in harnessing and warehousing documents, sensitive documents being churned out in the organization within the associates, partners, and the government agency. Okay, so you access it via your normal browser. You go to dcp.hyper.com. So you're then presented with the username and password dialog. Normally, you must have been given, you must have been pre-registered before you can have access. The username is the password that has been pre-registered by provider plus the password. So then with this back. Now you're directly being taken to the document aspect, which if you click that, you'll be presented with the folders or categories as follows. My document is the private storage space. Each portal member will have access to this with a section of guest member. Alright, and then the shared with me is a document that was shared with you on the portal by other members. As you can see here, this document has been shared. Alright, and then the common document is storage containing files and folders available to all portal members. That is the document willing to be shared by users, categories of users, controlled by level access, permission, or privilege. It could be just as a reader or a developer, which means the developer will have access to all aspects of editing and sharing of documents, whereas the reader or the previewer will probably have access to reading the document but can only attach a comment to the document, and sometimes will only just be able to read the document and respond somewhere else, which is probably to be able to forward it or download it. Of course, the download is also being controlled. Alright, so we have the document, common document, side, and then the project document is actually the document being shared by the project scheduler We're not going to go into details of this because the project shed light is still uh, being configured. So this program comes with adequate help files and documents that you can go through. Please, if you have any request, further inquiry, you can refer to us, the provider, through the provider at pmc.highprep.com. Thank you very much for your audience.